How to make a new Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can make a new Spotify account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a new Spotify account is also fairly simple. For this, all you have to do is you can't create an account from the app, so open your browser, go to spotify.com and hit the login button. If you have an account, you can log in, but if you don't, just type on sign up for Spotify option by going to Spotify. All you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your Spotify account over here. And once you enter them, just tap the next option. It will ask you to create a password, so finish creating your password and tap on next. It will send a verification code to your email, so once you verify that code as well, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then finish creating your new account on Spotify. This way you can go ahead and then basically create a new account on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.